Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 7th, 2025, and we're diving into TPG's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is Jon, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. Jon, TPG has been a significant player in the global alternative asset management space. Can you give us a brief overview of their latest earnings report?
Absolutely. TPG reported a net income of $88 million for Q1 2025, a significant turnaround from a net loss of $9 million in the same quarter last year. This reflects the company's robust investment performance and strategic growth initiatives, including their recent acquisition of Peppertree Capital Management.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TPG reported total revenues of $1.03 billion for the first quarter of 2025. Jon, how does this compare to their performance last year?
That's a great question. Compared to the first quarter of 2024, where they reported $824 million in revenue, this is a substantial increase. The operating profit margin also improved significantly to 8.5% from a negative margin last year, indicating better cost management and operational efficiencies.
And what about the net income?
TPG's net income for Q1 2025 was $88 million, a remarkable improvement from a net loss of $9 million in the previous year. This turnaround is largely due to increased capital allocation-based income and effective cost management strategies.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 50 cents for TPG based on a survey of 6 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
The actual adjusted EPS came in slightly below expectations at 48 cents. While this is a minor miss, TPG declared a quarterly dividend of 41 cents per share, which is a positive signal to investors about the company's confidence in its cash flow and future earnings potential.
Does this slight miss on EPS affect the overall sentiment towards TPG?
Not significantly. The market tends to look at the broader picture, and TPG's strong revenue growth and strategic acquisitions, like Peppertree Capital Management, are likely to keep investor sentiment positive.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. TPG has been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us more about their recent acquisition and future outlook?
Certainly. TPG announced the acquisition of Peppertree Capital Management, which focuses on digital infrastructure. This move aligns with TPG's strategy to expand in areas where they have a competitive advantage. With $57 billion in dry powder, TPG is well-positioned to capitalize on future investment opportunities.
And what does the leadership have to say about these developments?
CEO Jon Winkelried emphasized the strength and durability of TPG's business model, highlighting that periods of market dislocation often present the best investment opportunities. He expressed confidence in TPG's ability to drive value for shareholders through strategic growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, TPG has delivered a strong performance in the first quarter of 2025, with significant revenue growth and strategic acquisitions. Despite a slight miss on EPS, the company's robust financial position and strategic initiatives paint a positive outlook. Thank you for joining us, Jon.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing TPG's performance.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more insightful analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TPG's performance in the comments below. Until next time.